Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron Brown and this is Tech for Senior. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own video using ChatGPT. Yes, this AI tool can help you from start to finish, even if you've never made a video before. I'm going to show you how I made my video today called Understanding the Confusion with Google Wallet and Google Pay. You'll be seeing that later on today in the show, and I'll put a link down below for the description to that video. But this is how I made it using ChatGPT. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment or a lot of technical skills. We'll walk you through together step by step. ChatGPT is like a smart assistant you can talk to. It can help you write, plan, and even create pictures for your video. Now in ChatGPT, there's some exciting new features. Voice chat with real-time screen sharing, so you can talk to it like a friend while showing your work. Video and voice conversation mode, see and hear responses instantly. Photo enhancement, perfect for improving your video's pictures. And better step-by-step guides. It can now break down tasks in plain language, great for beginners. Now every good video starts with a plan. In ChatGPT, you can simply type, "Help me plan a 3-minute video about my garden." ChatGPT will give you an outline of topics, suggestion for images, and key points to say in each part of the video. You can even ask it to make your script short and simple, perfect for staying clear and on track. Once you have your outline, ask ChatGPT to write your narration script. For example, write a friendly script for seniors about how to grow tomatoes. It will give you ready-to-read text, which you can tweak to match your style. Keep sentences short and use everyday language. You can even ask ChatGPT to make it sound warm and conversational. With ChatGPT 5, you can create images right inside ChatGPT. Type "create a cartoon of a sunset in a pot," and you'll get a picture you can use in your video. You can also enhance your own photos. Just upload them and ask ChatGPT to brighten, sharpen, or even remove a background. You don't need a fancy microphone. Your computer or phone works just fine. You can record just your voice to go with your images or film yourself talking into the camera. If you like ChatGPT, you can even help you practice your lines using the new voice conversation mode. It's like rehearsing with a friendly co-host. Now, once you have your script, images, and recordings, you can use free video editors like Canva, Clipchamp, or iMovie. Upload your images, add your narration or video clips, and arrange them in an order you have planned. If you get stuck, ask ChatGPT, "How do I add background music in Clipchamp?" It will guide you step by step. Now, sharing your video. When your video is ready, you can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, or even email it to your friends. ChatGPT will help you write a short, catchy description and even suggest tags so people can find it. All right, let me talk about the Google Pay and Google Wallet video you'll be seeing later on in the show. Now, if you look at this window, you'll see, of course, I'm in my ChatGPT account. You'll see at the top here it says ChatGPT 5. I want to first draw your attention to a specific feature on the left-hand side, which I would encourage you to use. Now, this is only available on the paid version. Most of the other features will be available for anyone, but the paid version has a section called Projects. And this is really important and will save you a lot of time. Let me just click on New Project, and we're going to call this project name Garden. It's going to create a project. Now the beauty of projects is this is where all your research is done. It will hold it within the project file. But you can add instructions for the project. So you could add whatever instructions you wanted, and I'll show you the instructions I used for the Google Wallet and Google Pay video. But you could put in here the type of video you wanted, the content, who the intended audience would be. And as ChatGPT continues to refine your search and you have lots of questions for it as you're doing the project, you don't have to keep putting these instructions in, because the instructions that you've given on the type of video and the content will be reflected in all the searches within ChatGPT. And it holds all your searches in that project, and it saves all your projects. So it's pretty cool, and I find it a big time saver. So if you do have the paid version, just come over and use the project feature. Now let's come down to, let's save this. You'll see it's now created a garden one for us, but we'll come down now to Google Wallet versus Google Pay. So let's look at the instructions I gave it. Create a script for a 15-minute YouTube video that will be shown to an audience of seniors with varying computer skills. So that sets it up what I want it to do, and then it's going to create the information I want in the chat window here. Now, of course, I've already done that because I've made the video. So let's come down here, and I'm just going to bring this up. Let's come to the very top of my project. All right, we're now at the top now, and you'll see here, this is the input that I gave it. Write a script for, of course, Google Pay and Google Wallet. You'll see that here. So I don't have to rewrite the information on the type of video, because that's already been predefined in the project, like I just showed you. So it's going to now create this for me. So the first thing is it gave a title for it based on search engine optimization. It's going to actually go through YouTube, and it's going to figure out what would be the best title for this video that you want to make. And it said Google Wallet versus Google Pay 2025. What's the difference and which one should you use? So then the runtime is 15 minutes. And you'll see that the introduction says the hook, are Google Wallet and Google Pay the same thing? Not quite. Quick overview of the confusion and why it matters in 2025. And the promise the viewers will learn key differences, use cases, and recommendation. So it's going to give a brief, so this is the video that they've created. Brief history, what's the Google Wallet, what is Google Pay, and it's also timestamped them. It also indicates in here, it gives you some graphs you can put in. You'll see that this was put into my video. As we come down here, which one should you use, privacy and security, and conclusion and takeaways. So this is what it set up for me. But then it asked me, would you like to create a script, teleprompter text, or YouTube description? Well, I'd like a teleprompter text because I use a teleprompter. So here's a 15-minute teleprompter ready script, and this can actually be exported into any teleprompter program that you have. So this is the actual script that is written. So you just basically are reading it back. You can certainly edit it. So you'll see here, let's start with a little back history. Google Pay started as Android Pay, launched in 2015. Now, just remember those words as you listen to the video later on. And as we come down, of course, it gives you graphs that you can add in, and it gives you all the information that you have to basically just read back because it's created it for you. I just want to come down to the end and show you the images that I had make. If we come down here, you'll see, and these are the images that you'll see in the video you're about to see. Phones without NFC. You'll see the NFC phone, branding history. You'll see my image here. Which one should you use? And it creates all these images for you. Now, the only problem I have is that, of course, the creation of the images is relatively slow, and it really slows you up if you want to create a lot of the images. So you don't have to have the project settings to actually do this. You could just do this in a new chat and create it. You'd have to be a little more specific in your prompts, but you could still do this with the free version. And that's how I create YouTube videos with ChatGPT. And there you have it. From planning to sharing, all with ChatGPT at your creative helper. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert. Just take one step at a time and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what video editing you're going to be making first. Happy creator, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Have a great day till we see you again.